it to the limit.
Port of Miami, important to Candy. Ain't got nothing to lose. It's important to family. Never traffic for fun, only traffic for fun. All I seen was the struggle. It's like I'm trapped in the sun. Mortgage were barely paid, no water, we barely paid. It better be better days on the way. That's on my dad's grave. I'm pushing it hard, I'm pushing it south. If he pushing a lie, he pushing for hours. I waited and waited, I done ran out of patience. They hated and hated, left them slow dancing and singing fresh in my white tee. Mac 11, swear to God, I bought my first block, broke it down and tore the block apart. I push and I push, I ride and I ride, trying to survive on 9 to 5. Put it all on the line, every drop of a dime. I be pushing them wheels, 3 at a time. I'm pushing it, I'm pushing it, I'm pushing it. I gotta push it to the limit. I'm pushing it.